ilang mga pamangkin. So, parang nakita ko nga sa trailer, mga comments ng mga tao na parang, ako din, tita ko, parang ang sakit-sakit sa puso, mga ganyan. So, feeling ko, hopefully, na-hit namin yung sweet spot na yun sa About Family Ties.
I'm curious lang, dito sa venue natin, meron ba ditong ayaw mag-anak? Wala pa naman, wala pa. I'm curious lang kasi parang yung mga millennials daw, kasi di ba direct yung mention mo kanina, parang they prefer not to have kids.
Yung iba, parang for parents na lang. Meron naman marami pa rin, pero medyo hindi na alien yung idea that not having a kid is someone na hindi ka makukumpleto.
Gusto kong tanongin tuloy yung mga support cast natin. Donna, ikaw, what's your take on having a kid?
Meron na po ako, isa, may 10-year-old ako, so di na ako bali sumagot. Oo, meron na. And kung mananagdagan, parang wala ka naman dadagdag. Jojoy ko magdagdag. So yun, pero parang gusto ko pa ng kapatid, pero hindi ko pa naiisip siya.
Okay. Si Kate, ikaw.
Na-pressure ako ng slide kasi matagal naman sinasabi na I'm one of those, na I don't think I would do well as a mother, but because of recent events, nagulat na ako na, you know, there's nothing wrong with wanting to not have children, but there's also nothing wrong with wanting to have children for myself. And I think that's where I'm at.
Baka mabago ang ng pelikulang ito ang iyong...
Nabago
na! Ayun na nga. See? Ana, ikaw naman. What's your take?
Meron na rin po ako.
Ayan.
Well, gusto ko pa ng isa, yung nabigay sa akin ng anak ko, naging, lalo ko nagpursige kong magtrabaho para sa kanya. Siguro kanya-kanya rin naman talagang take yun. Pero, as of now, trabaho po muna ako.
Trabaho muna.
Isa muna, dahil ang hirap po ako magdadagdag pa nang hindi ka naman prepared.
Okay. And Alexa, ikaw, as a millennial.
I'm actually a Gen Z.
A Gen Z, ibang generation pa.
Lalo na siguro, but sa totoo lang po medyo namulat din ako sa movie. But of course right now, that's not at all something I think about, and not even in the near future. I feel like I want to pursue my career muna, of course, and establish myself, and secure myself, and the future of the child I might want to bring to this world. Pero siguro po sa malayong future pa. But I am a firm mom, and that's as fulfilling also. Ikaw.
Okay. No, kasi I think that's a normal, what do you call it, mindset ng iba, lalo when they're focused on their careers first. So, iba-iba talaga priority. Wala siyang one size fits all, di ba? Alright, ang next na question is from Max Susana from La Conchera Lovers. Direct ko ba kasagot nito? How did you come up with such a diverse cast? Paano ang naging selection ng cast for this project?
Kinakabanog sa mga tanong. Ano po, for the cast, tulong-tulong po kami nila Miss Madonna, Miss Grace, and Miss Toy and Raywin in creating the perfect ensemble. Ano siya pinipitigan mo rin kung bagay talaga sa isang artista yung character. So marami sa kanila, first thought pa lang namin sila na may iba na nag-grow lang na parang pwede siya, pwede gano'n. Hanggang mabuo siya. And we're so happy with this cast. They all performed well. As in, minsan pag nag-viewing kami, sino favorite character mo? Hirap namin sagutin kasi lahat sila may ganyan-ganyan baon. Eh, ang ganda-ganda, galing-galing nilang lahat.
Thank you, Direk. Next question, pare-pareho to, no? From Romel Gonzalez, Jamara Lee Adriano, and Alexa Con. It's for Alexa. What was your first reaction upon learning that you will be doing a film with a popular Korean actor? And how was this experience? Could you share some memorable experiences behind the scenes?
At first, I was a bit nervous and not going to lie, medyo na-intimidate ako talaga kay Jisoo. Kasi
Tangkad eh! Jisoo, what's your height? What's your height?
Hindi ko siya matignan ng diretso, kailangan nakatingala ako.
6'2". Ikaw, Alexa, anong height mo? Without heels. 5'2".
5'2" on a good day.
On a good day.
Pero hindi, I was really excited then kasi I know how professional Korean stars are and I've never really worked with anyone na Korean star. So, the first time I met Jisoo, it was for the look test. So parang in a way, sinabak na agad kami sa trial scene without really that, formal introduction. So I was a bit intimidated, pero I saw in his eyes, wow, na-open naman siya. So kinabalan ko na po yung mukha ko, kinausap ko, nagpag-excite ako sa kanya, and nagbibigay talaga siya. Kahit feeling ko hindi ako naintindihan minsan, nagbibigay talaga siya.
Mahirap yun no? Yung parang, di ko alam kung maiintindihan ba ni Jisoo yung emotions na
not the emotion, more on the Tagalog.
Yeah.
Because I feel like he's a really smart actor, so with the emotions, he could understand me right away.
Right.
Tapos yun, day by day, natutuwa po ako sa kanya kasi nakita ko na nag-open up siya sa amin lahat. Like, sa una seryoso siya, pero nung pang ilang shoot na namin, nakikipagbiruan na siya, nagjo-joke na siya, tapos nagpapaturo po siya mag-Tagalog. So doon natutuwa ako kami ni Ate Kai kasi yung madalas yung ka-eksena. Natutuwa ako sa kanya nagpapaturo siya mag-Tagalog, tapos nagkikwento siya about his life in Korea, tungkol sa dogs niya, tapos mahilig din siya sa mga stray animals. So sabi ko, ay, magiging friends tayo.
Pet friendly.
Yeah.
Let's ask Jisoo this time. How was it working with Alexa?
It was an honor to be working with famous star. Yeah, she's really kind and sweet, and even she's younger than me, but she's very mature. And she helped me to get used to on the set. So it was very fun, and we did TikTok together. Yes, TikTok video,
TikTok.
Yeah. So it means like we are friends.
Right.
Yeah, so it was fun, and it's like I like to work with everyone. Actually, they're always really welcome to me because sometimes I don't understand what they're saying, but they're always trying to translate and explain everything. Like even it's hard. They always try to like communicate with me, so I was really thankful to the work. Yes.
Richard, nakita ko sa trailer, parang meron kayong heavy scene together ni Jisoo. Parang may confrontation kayo, parang magkaharap kayo or something. Sa table ba yun?
Although yung hindi yung pinaka-heavy scene, but
Right.
we have this confrontation. Pero we took it in a light way naman.
How was it working with him?
Gamitin ko yung term na ginagawa, intimidate. Well, nagkaroon ako ng pre-thinking na baka may intimidate. Pero hindi, Jesus one considering that one of he's one of the more, the most focused, well prepared. Alam mo na may preparation when it comes to
Right. Wow. Well, good job. Good job, Jisoo. Most focused. Follow up ni Romel and Jeffrey Perdon of Kapamilya Online World for Alexa. Is this your first time to portray a character similar to being a mother in a project? And what were your preparations?
I think it is my first.
Right.
Because I've done a little more mature roles, like sa ugali-wise mature, but ngayon lang po yung sort of mother guardian type. My preparation, well, ang una po kasi yung character ni Sunny, ayaw talaga niya. Sungit, mainit ang ulo palagi. Medyo relate naman ako doon ng slide. Hindi, joke lang. Pero it wasn't that hard for me din naman po to prepare. Kasi as the days would go by, mas napakalapit din ako kay Riley. So the relationship, how it grew, how we bonded, it was very natural and it just really happened. And sobrang ginaid lang din ako ni Derek na yung maibigay ko, yung natural lang, yung normal lang, kasi overthinker ko on slide. So doon ako tinulungan ni Derek na maibigay ko yung best ko. And hopefully, lumabas siya, and hopefully yun din po yung makita ng mga tao pag nanood sila.
Thank you, Alexa. We're talking about yung actor-actor relationship, no? Direct, ito yung next question from Jeffrey. How was it naman directing a Korean actor?
Oh. It wasn't hard at all. Kasi what I love about Kim Jisoo, kasi nga ano din, sinuportahan niya ng mga cast that he's really focused and prepared. Ito, seryoso, table reading pa lang namin. Memorize yung lines. Samantalang silang lahat, naka-script kami. Pero siya, memorize na. Parang, uy, relax ka lang. Table reading pa lang to. Pero siya, all out na kaagad. So medyo nape-pressure kami lahat na, uy, ganyan yun. But yeah, it was very collaborative. Yung ginawa namin yung script, it was almost 80% done. But when he entered the picture, he supplied a lot of information about the Korean culture and suggestions also in terms of perspective. So we had to revise it also based on his experience because we wanted it to be very authentic. And he really helped us so much.
Saka ang gusto nga niya ipalabas na parang in a positive way.
Yes.
Kasi nga, napapasa daw niya sa documentaries na the Kopino is somewhat showcased in a negative way.
Correct.
And he wanted it in positive, right?
Yes.
Alright. Next from